Hello, my name is Diego. I'm 17 years old and I'm a coffee enthusiast. Since I started at the University of La Sabana, I have entered in this lifestyle and I'm loving it. This is why the specific business activity to analyze in this video is going to be generating a product related to coffee. Hence the idea of Heat Up, which is a cup where coffee can be served and get warm by means of an integrated heating system. So now, let's go see it. So, first of all, in the geographical area in which this activity is planned, which is Colombia, the entities that govern this activity are the Chamber of Commerce, the Superintendents of Industry and Commerce, the Congress of the Republic by imposing the Law 1480 of 2011, October 12, Consumer Protection, and National Copyright Office. Then, we find the prices. The prices that this product can get are to the design, A Design Award and Competition, A Packaging Design Award, IF Design Award, European Product Design Award, Good Design, Global Awards for Design Excellence and Innovation, Red Dot Design Award, to the Entrepreneurship Everest Colombia Awards. Now, we will apply David Garvin dimensions to this product. They are performance, characteristics, reliability, design compliance, durability, quality of service, aesthetics, perceived quality. At this point, we will analyze three of these, which are performance. These are the functional characteristics of a product. In this case, Heat Up, being a cup of coffee, will have the following measurable functional characteristics. Cup length, 12 centimeters. Material, N4 Si3 ceramic, as it is heat resistant up to 1200 degrees Celsius. Rate width, the top part of the rate will be 8 centimeters wide, while the bottom part will be 6 centimeters wide. Weight, 350 grams. Color, white and black cups will be produced. Capacity, 460 millimeters. Cup handle width, 3 centimeters. Cup handle length, 4 centimeters. Heating system, electric heater. Heater battery capacity, 1200 amperes. Heater consumption, 12 milliamperes. Heater operating time, 12 hours. Power mode, on-off switch. Charge type, via USB cable. USB cable length, 92 centimeters, approximately. Now we have the second dimension, features, additional functions. This dimension refers to the additional function to the operations that a product contains. It is due to the above that Heat Up, in addition to being a cup where any type of beverage can be served, differs from the other cups due to its functional characteristics of integrated heating system. That is, that any liquid that is served in this cup can be heated at the wish of the person who uses it. Then, we have the design compliance dimension. This dimension refers to the level of compliance with the specifications designed and planned for the product. It is due to the above that in this business activity, this dimension is realized to the extent that at the stage of production of this product, it is not satisfied with less than due compliance with all the specifications designed for the product. That is, with full compliance with both the operational functions and the additional functions specified for Heat Up. The economic crisis faced by SMEs and large companies has caused many of these to reduce internal spending with employees, making the coffee service in the offices begin to use a white label of inferior quality, which has caused that the workers go out to look for a better quality coffee, incurring an additional monetary and non-monetary expense, since they have to spend time, effort, and money to go to an establishment that is capable of satisfying their need for a good quality coffee. What is a problem for employees, since they have to spend time and money to acquire what they previously received for free and without having to move from the office? After incurring in an investigation where we found that 85% of Colombians consume this beverage, on average 3 cups of coffee during the workday, of which 39% said that they consume it at home, as the second common place of consumption is the office, and thirdly, the commercial establishments. For those who take it outside the home, coffee consumption becomes a significant expense that, on average, reaches the 144,800 per month in coffee, which is taken outside the home. This is equivalent to 3,620 pesos per day for each coffee consumed in establishments. Those who prefer to accompany the coffee with some additional snacks, which in this case may be something for breakfast, increases their daily spending to 5,000 pesos. and the monthly average to 200,000 pesos. In summary, the problem is that people have to go out to look for a better quality coffee that they offer in the office, incurring monetary expenses, time and effort when going to a public establishment to get such a drink. Now, in this video, we will analyze a real problem related to this activity using the Ishikawa diagram, where we find that the problem is the expenditure, monetary, time, and effort generated by buying coffee in public establishments, which has causes like coffee service quality, time, and material. At the coffee service quality, we can find that in the material quality, there is a lack of quality coffee in the office. As kind, we have white brand coffee in the offices, and also in material, there is a lack of coffee in the offices. In time, we can find that the organization has a bad organization of time, stores has a waste of time in line to buy coffee, and there is also a lack of time to prepare coffee. Finally, in material, we have equipment, and we find out that there is a lack of equipment to make coffee. In coffee, there is a lack of coffee, and in knowledge, there is a lack of knowledge. The cost that will be analyzed and then propose a solution will be poor quality of the coffee service in the offices. The solution to the problem is that people make their coffee at home and take it to the offices packed in heat up, so that they don't need to use their service provided by the office nor go out to buy it in public establishments. Now we will apply the theory of quality or service. The theory of quality seen in class that will be implemented for the development of this solution is the 8 dimensions of Deming. It is related to the solution since in this one a product is integrated, that is to which these 8 dimensions will be developed below. In addition to the aforementioned dimensions, the following are found. Reliability. Because it is a product idea, there is currently no exact time defined for the first failure to occur. However, because if a fault occurs, it will be in the heating system, which works with a battery. Depending on the frequency of use of heat up, the first fault can occur from 6 months at worst of cases up to 2 years. Durability. In the same way as in dimension number 3, there is currently no specific time in the product's useful life. However, since it is an electronic element, it is calculated based on the depreciation in Colombia for this type of elements that it can have a useful life of 3 years. Quality of service. This is the speed, cost, competition, ease of repair when the product is damaged, and the friendliness of the technical service staff. However, as there is not yet an establishment self-service, this dimension cannot yet be developed in heat up. Aesthetics. Just like dimension 6, since there is no physical product still developed, just a product idea, you cannot define a social acceptance of the product's aesthetics. That is, you cannot know if the general population like the appearance of the product or not. Perceived quality. This is the impression that is formed in the client of a product or service as a result of advertising, brand promotion, comments from other people, and their own experience in the use. However, this dimension cannot be developed yet, since there is no advertising nor a tangible product in which the client can develop an expected quality and compare it with the perceived quality. Finally, we have the quality model or tool. The quality tool that will be related to the proposal will be the service window. It is a visual guide for discussions about quality and highlights the value of the attributes of a product or process. In this window, we can find what people want, what people get, what people don't want, and what people don't get. Here we can find that the people want and get broad drink, perception of being awake, increase of selective attention, external stimulus, warm beverage, relaxed, drinkable coffee, but with a cost, going to a public store. The people want and don't get good quality coffee in the office, black brand coffee in the office, good organization of time, quick line in the coffee stores, time to prepare coffee, equipment to make coffee, knowledge to prepare coffee, and finally, a product that allows them to make coffee at home and take it to the office, heat up. Then we have that the people don't want and don't get, lack of drinkable coffee, regulation by the government as a harmful product, variety of types of coffee in the office, and finally we have that the people don't want and get bad quality coffee in the office, white brand coffee in the office, lack of coffee in the office, bad organization of time, waste of time in line to buy coffee in stores, lack of time to prepare coffee, lack of equipment to make coffee, and knowledge to prepare coffee. Thanks to this quality tool, we can determine that there are many things that people want and do not get, such as good good quality coffee in offices, as well as that there are many things that people do not want and get, such as it is, for example, the lack of coffee in offices. We can also determine that the solution proposed in this video, heat up, is something that the people want and do not get. Therefore, it is a good opportunity to exercise the business idea of this product.